My name is Taylor Nearing.
My name is Kylie Stein.
My name is Sofia Rivas.
A lot of it came to be surprising, and how it connects with so many different cultures and so many different people all at the same time was something that I found really, really interesting. And it kind of became a part of me that I was able to take more into my life. And so that's where I think I really find passion and love for it.
I'm a big lover of stories and anything fiction, science fiction, anything like that. So I love the ability to get lost in some kind of other world and provide some kind of, not necessarily escape from your day-to-day, but just another outlet, I guess.
The experiences we get to have and working with other people in the program is always really fun.
No matter where you come from or if you've ever done theater before, it is something that can be a shared hobby that everyone does together, and it's kind of this piece of like we're all coming together and doing this one big thing for an audience to appreciate and for us to appreciate and kind of to look back on and say that we did that. And then for the audience, just the being able to sit down and appreciate this piece of art is something that I think is all relatable within all of us.
I think theater mimics real life, and whether that's a nonfiction story or a show about bugs and a giant peach, there's always something to take away from the show, no matter who you are.
Well, theater is always telling a story of some sort, so you need to imagine theater being part of a story of your life. And anyone can have a story. Everyone has a path and has a story, so yeah, relatable to everyone at any age.
Because it's really fun. Even if it is just a hobby or if it's not a hobby, I'm a really big advocate for trying something new. And so I think this is something that everyone can try, and everyone will in some way, shape, or form, no matter if it's acting or if it's playwriting or directing, and you can bring yourself into it. So it's a way to kind of have yourself integrated into what you're doing and to hopefully create new hobbies and new experiences for people.
One of the biggest things for me is I have met so many different people, and I've gotten the chance to meet just the best kind of people from theater, whether that's just being around shows or being in the show. They're just the best.
Students at MSU should be taking classes in theater to get new experiences, to learn different skills. So it not only teaches you how to play different characters and different personalities, but also teaches you oratory and just how to express yourself, like public speaking almost.
Probably the biggest benefit is something that I touched on with a few of the topics, and it's the shared space aspect of it. Everyone is there for each other, and everyone is there to support another one and take what we're doing and try and make it the best that we can, which is a really good experience, and it's a good feeling to have, to know that you have this kind of family behind your back supporting you and supporting what we all love to do.
For me personally, being on stage, it has been a great confidence booster and kind of lessened day-to-day nerves, I guess, that I think a lot of us deal with. And I also like the idea that it kind of provides an active service to another person that gets to come and see the show, and they get to have that kind of little escape for an hour or two.
One of the biggest one is, as I've said before, the experience you get and, learning about the different components of theater, from the music and working in the pit to the lighting and the sound and how everything comes together to make this beautiful thing pop into the story, pop into life. So.
It's very natural to feel scared, and it's very common. That's not a thing that I think should shy people away from doing this stuff, though. It's, if you feel that calling that you should start or maybe just try, I say go for it, because it's a really fun experience, and it's one that I have yet to hear anyone regret.
Just that it's fun. Like, it's a fun time. So, if you have the chance, don't shy away from it.
Come and join the Minot State University theater program. You will never regret it. You will meet a lot of interesting people. You'll meet a lot of fantastic professors like Dr. Sarah Honorman. You'll be able to work with professionals in the field and get to learn so much about this art and how to be part of this theater culture.